To understand why we get dizzy, to understand why we lose our balance, we have to understand the three major components for balance control. What are those three major components? So the first one, there are sources of sensation. And we'll discuss further what these sources of sensation are. That tell information, I'll stick with the worksheet. Sources of sensation that tell about your body's position relative to your environment. So there are sources of sensation in our body that feed that information to the brain about our body's position relative to our environment. The second component is your brain. It says there, your brain's ability to process this information. The third component is your muscles for coordinating the movements required to maintain balance. Now, some of you may be wondering, Arlen, what does this have to do with my vertigo? You will understand later, okay? But I need you to fully understand these three components because we will visit this later on, okay? When we're talking with vertigo and dizziness. So there are three components that help us maintain balance, that keep us dizziness free. We have sources of sensation that tell the brain about our body's position, our head's position relative to our environment, and then the brain commanding specific muscles. So that way you won't fall or you won't get dizzy. I'll give